Before I begin, I need to disclose a few items. Affiliate disclosure. Some links may contain affiliate links, and if clicked and purchases are made, the owners may earn commissions. Legal disclaimer. The content provided is for instructional, general informational and entertainment purposes and should not be considered professional advice. This video is not sponsored. Any opinions expressed are our own and reflect our honest experience. Viewers should use their own judgment when considering any recommendations. Exercise and supplement safety disclaimer. When participating in exercise routines, it is essential to be mindful of possible risks and to seek advice from a medical professional prior to initiating any new activities. As for supplements, it is generally recommended to consult a healthcare practitioner before beginning any new supplement plan to ensure it aligns with your health needs and is safe. Okay, with that out the way, let's begin with the video. And don't forget to grab your free guide in the description or below this video. Understanding the critical role of protein intake for muscle growth is essential for anyone serious about optimizing their fitness journey. Protein provides the building blocks, amino acids, that your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle fibers after intense workouts. Without adequate muscle repair nutrition, progress stalls and recovery slows down, leaving you vulnerable to injury and fatigue. Incorporating high-protein foods into your daily diet isn't just beneficial, it's necessary. Lean meats, dairy products, legumes, and plant-based proteins supply the essential amino acids that directly support muscle recovery. By prioritizing protein consumption at strategic times, especially post-exercise, you ensure your muscles receive the nutrients required to grow stronger and more resilient. Don't underestimate how vital protein is in this process. Proper protein intake fuels muscle repair and accelerates growth, making it a non-negotiable component of any effective training regimen. Embrace this knowledge today to maximize your results and take control of your muscular development like never before. To truly unlock your body's potential, consistent and sufficient protein intake must become a cornerstone of your nutrition plan. It's not just about eating enough protein overall, but also about timing it to coincide with your body's heightened need for repair and synthesis following physical activity. Neglecting this can lead to diminished gains, prolonged soreness, and even setbacks in performance. Moreover, diversifying your protein sources ensures you receive a complete profile of amino acids necessary for optimal muscle function. Combining animal-based options with plant-derived proteins can enhance nutrient variety while supporting overall health. Supplementing with quality protein powders can also be an effective strategy when whole foods aren't readily available. By making deliberate choices around your protein consumption, you empower yourself to recover faster, train harder, and build lean muscle more efficiently. This level of nutritional commitment is what separates casual exercisers from those who achieve lasting transformation. Commit today to prioritizing protein. Your muscles will thank you with every representative and every step forward in your fitness journey. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Saving Craze YouTube channel for more helpful tips.